How to change YouTube full screen settings. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change YouTube full screen settings. For this, you want to open the YouTube app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, I'm going to play a video from my channel. So as you can see, this is a video from my channel. Now when I tap on this full screen icon, you can see that there are some black gaps over here at the side and at the top. Now if you want to change the full screen settings, what you want to do is tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner, then tap on the gear icon to open up your settings. Now you have different sections here. Scroll down and get to the video and audio preferences section. Here you have the option of playback. Tap on that. Now there is the option of zoom to fill screens. You want to toggle this option on. Once you toggle it on, it's going to always zoom so that video fills the screen in full screen. Once this option has been toggled on, as you can see, the video is playing in full screen, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.